you got? $1.75 from the Asian dollar store. Welcome back to Laughing Willow Farms. If you're new here, thanks for hanging out with us. Our family lives on a 2-acre homestead just south of Dallas, Texas. We homeschool. I'm a midwife. My husband's a musician, and we cook from scratch a lot, grow our own food. So today is my son's 15th birthday, and he gets to choose whatever he wants for a meal, and for dessert, he chose Chipotle, which is great for me because I don't have to cook dinner. Happy birthday day to me. And then he wanted a homemade peach pie with homemade ice cream. Y'all, the insanity that is my kitchen right now, anytime there's a disruption in your kitchen, I feel like it's so hard to keep it clean. We are beginning the remodel of this 1920s farmhouse kitchen. And we're starting with this side because our oven went out a few weeks ago, and technically this space fit a 36-inch range, which while it's more expensive, I was not sad about because I use it so much. I've got a little bit of lunch going for us. So we're gonna try to make a peach pie in the midst of putting in a new countertop over here and backsplash. There's Jude. He was just enjoying lunch in the garden. Sounds so relaxing, huh, Jude? Hands down, my favorite way to make a pie crust is in a food processor. It just turns out great every time. So much easier. Yes, you can do it by hand, but work smarter, not harder. So I use the food processor. We're gonna do 2.5 cups of flour. This will make 2 pie crusts, which will give me plenty to do a lattice top. And cubed up butter. Now, you do want to note that the butter should be cold when you put it in, and it's going to give you that crispy, flaky crust that you want. Okay, so now we're going to pulse it until it's crumbly. I try to resist the urge to just turn it on high, but it takes a little bit more patience, but I think it's worth it to get the right crumble. All right, then once you get it crumbly where it's kind of like an almond flour consistency, I feel like, if you've ever worked with that, you're gonna add your cold water slowly. So using the same technique with the pulse, I just pour in my cold water. You're looking for the dough to come together in a ball. You're gonna see it come together right now in just a second. There we have it. That's our ball. So I'm gonna get that out and work with it. This might seem a little silly, but I like to use this pie pastry board and put my silicone mat over it because the edges give me a little bit more leverage to move my hands to roll it out. Next, I'm going to use some flour just to flour my surface. I do love these silicone mats. They make it so easy. And this has the markers on it. Next is the filling. I'm using a recipe I'll link by Sally's Baking Recipes. Well, I did this morning, so.
this. Day, dear Brody. Happy birthday to you.
He's gonna make a wish.
Lynn, wanna help me?
Oh. A wish? Oh, good job.
High
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's
That's
look
so sad.
Uh-oh.
Good job.
Look at that yellow.
That's like, that's like,
I know. All those yolks are super yellow right now.
I'll have it.
This ice cream is so good.
What?
How is it, Brody?
Yeah.
It's so good.
It's so good.
How are we gonna finish the night? What you got, Lennon? Throw a burrito? Throw a burrito. It's your birthday, Brody.
It's amazing.
Awesome. And we got part one of the cabinet in. Thanks for joining us for our family birthday. Peace.
Out.